Welcome. Let's start by dragging down a video. Afterward, add 10 video tracks. Move up to track 2, then go to Effect to apply Crop Effect. Click, go to Crop Effect to adjust, then type 90 in the right column. Afterward, copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 80 for right and 10 for left. Again, copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 70 for right and 20 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 60 for right and 30 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 50 for right and 40 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 40 for right and 50 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 30 for right and 60 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 20 for right and 70 for left. Copy and paste above. Click, go to Effect to type 10 for right and 80 for left. Lastly, copy and paste as shown. Go to Effect to restore right to 0 and type 90 in left. Now scroll down to apply keyframe animation. Apply keyframe to position, then type -1080. Afterward, move playhead to 20 seconds. Go back to position to restore back to 0. Now click the second keyframe. Right-click to select all keyframe. Again, right-click to copy all keyframe. Now continue to leave a track above and paste the copied keyframes. Then go to the second video above. Click, apply keyframe to position. Type 1080 to position Y. Move playhead to 20 seconds, then restore the keyframe to 0. Afterward, copy the keyframes, then paste as shown above. Afterward, adjust the track height to small for complete visibility. Now drag down another video 10 times. Further, right-click to copy and paste effect from each equivalent video until the last video above. Highlight all, then right-click to cut. Afterward, move playhead 10 frames from the back, then paste. Now highlight all. Then move 10 frames forward. Afterward, drag down another video below on track 1. Further, scroll up to the last video. Go to Effect, then drag down Water Effect. Split within the keyframe range above, then delete the excess. Afterward, click the effect to adjust at 0.27 and 2 respectively. Lastly, copy the effect. Scroll down to the first set of cropped video to paste as shown. Afterward, preview. Thanks for watching. You are awesome.